Reading makes a full man. We can benefit a lot of positive energy from it. Everyone will experience a variety of emotional problems in our lives. For instance, happy, sad, angry, pleased, anxious, calm, surprised, disappointed, and so on. The reason for causing the emotions depends on how you view the problems. If you read more, you will know a lot of truths and look at it carefully and calmly, and you will be happy. Then these negative emotions will stay away from you. In short, the more you read, the more you will understand. If you love life, life will love you back. Good emotions will fly to you. All of these problems are relying on your own mindset, while we can get them from reading.